I'd like to walk you through how to complete this assignment. It's your only assignment for the day for literacy, so make sure you take your time and thoroughly follow all of the directions. So here's the title. This page describes your assignment. I want to point out that there's a spot right here where you can look how to get yourself some help. We put a link to the text feature slides we were using last week on Halloween that might be useful to you or reminded you to reach out and ask us. The first step you're going to do is you're going to read the text. We have provided a slides copy in case the book is hard to read because we have these blue arrows on top of the text in this slideshow. So read the slides that we have attached, but also you might want to listen to the audiobook. So this does count as your 20 minutes reading for today, and it's necessary that you have read this before you proceed, and it will help you with the next 2 days as well. You're obviously choosing to watch this video. I hope that you have read the book, but if you haven't, before you continue, please read the book. And then step 3, you're going to match the text features from the text to the descriptions and enter the code word. It's important that you did read first. Okay, so looking at the slides that are part of this thing that you'll turn in, there are these blue arrows pointing to different parts of the text. You are responsible for taking these and moving them to where these blue arrows are, as I did here for this one that is a map. I want you to notice that I didn't plop it here, and I expect that I can still see the blue arrows. So because I'm the one who's going to grade it, I better make sure that I can see, or you better make sure that I can see this blue arrow still, because there will be some pages where there'll be a couple things on each side. So it's going to be necessary that you carefully lay them out. So how do you move all of these to the blue arrows? Well, I put a reminder for you right here on slide 12, but you take one of these. So I'm going to take one. You click on it, it turns blue. And when it turns blue, you say Control and the X button, it disappears. And you're then going to drop it where you want it. And I had to click my mouse like you just saw there, and I say Control V as in violet. It probably won't go exactly where you want because it slides. It's temperamental, it's moody, but you can adjust the size if you need to put more than one thing. I don't want you to make it so small that I can't read it though. And I do again need to see the arrow. After you have moved all of these pieces, then you need to then enter the code word, which is nonfiction. And then you should double check that everything is correct. I do want to say that I've given you clues in these, so it really does have to match. Like here it says illustration, shows a drawing of what a lifesaver could look like, but is not a photo. So these things only match to a specific place. They are not general descriptions. You have to find the exact spot where they belong. And that's why this is your only assignment today, because this should take you a good deal of time. If you did choose to read first, then you will have a better idea in your head of where things were laid out in the text, and it will help you. But should you need any further help from us, please do reach out in the Need Help button and think about contacting me on the speech bubble or in office hours if it's during the school day. Good luck.